Slavoj Zizek bigotry. And the Europeanism bullshitism. Slavoj Zizek lied about the migrant crisis. And claim Europe to not be responsible for the migrant crisis. Debunking the racism of the pro-Europeanism lies. The logic but censor easy solution for anybody who claims to defend humanitarian values. Slavoj Zizek was recently caught lying during his comments to RT News when he declared Europe as not directly responsible by the Middle East crisis, and claiming that Europe is much better than any other place. Is that why all the migrants want to come to Europe? Saying refugees want to go to Europe is not just a lie, is a grotesque look at what facts are telling us, and pro-Europeanism is not a reasonable argument to be used rather than simply assuming what is the clearly fascist and racist statement of Western superiority. Not just this, migrants who are coming to Europe represents an insignificant number to the European population, as the Western news media are permanently hiding the role of countries such as Brazil, Indonesia, Thailand, Jordan, and so many others in order who receive migrants and refugees for a long time in order to deceive the Western people and to make them believe that only Europe/Western are taking care of the refugees and nobody else is doing the same. Well, that is a big fat lie. Not just Europe is receiving the smaller percentage of refugees, as all the other countries in the Middle East, North Africa, and Asia are already for years and decades receiving the refugees from the wars caused by Europe and United States. What did change in past years for these migrants, who most of them do not want to live in West, because they feel to not belong there and to not be compatible with Western culture, for now they choose Europe and not the usual routes around their regions? Well, simple as looking at the map of the terrorism and Western military invasions. Out of nothing since 2001, Afghanistan, Iraq, Libya, Somalia, were occupied, bombed and completely destroyed, plus interventions on Pakistan, and now in Yemen and Bahrain. Yeah, it's simple as that. After all this wars, more the coups in countries like Egypt or Tunisia, is obvious that nobody feels safe in any of the countries around that regions of the globe. The way the Western war policies are being dragged over the globe, is most certainly right to fear more invasions in different nations, and the refugees know about this, and they no longer feel safe to stay in the Middle East or in Africa. But even with this situation, the Europe only takes a small percentage of refugees, and for people like Slavoj Zizek, who is convinced that everybody wants to live in Europe, he should be honest and shut the fuck up, because the facts are, that more Europeans and Westerners live in the East, than refugees live on the West. More Europeans and other Westerners are living today in Asia, than Muslims in Europe. After all, the Muslims, not all from refugees or immigrants, only represent around 10% of Europe and 6% of United States population, and by the way, even the majority of ISIL militants are from Europe, people who was born and raised in Europe, and somehow the European exceptionalism and censorship likes to avoid this very uncomfortable fact. A simple fact check will destroy this neo-Nazi arguments, but because this is nothing more than propaganda pro-Europe and pro-Western, the truth and facts are not wanted in order to teach people about reality. This, my friends, pure deception and war propaganda. If now the majority of refugees are turning to the West, is because the wars made by the West don't leave any other East territory or nation to be safe from their bomb campaigns. Instead of bombing the smugglers, people who save lives by taking away people from war zones, boats, and letting thousands of refugees drowning in the Mediterranean, and later get disorganized and abusive influx of migrants in some areas, maybe we could be more simple, like, we could stop being the racist rich spoiled brat self-centered Europe bitch and stop with all this European policies of bigotry, hatred, and greed, and we could remove this people from the war zones by ourselves in order to save more lives, and subsequently, we could make the distribution of migrants to be more organized and proportional to every European country demography characteristics. That is what at least we should do as Westerners, if our Europe and our United States never even consider the chance of simply stop with this endless war occupations and the constant attack to the sovereignty and peace of dozens of nations all over the world. By the way, Mr. Slavoj Zizek, I'm European and I don't like to live in Europe. Looks like you are wrong about that too.